let's do this makeup. I plan on taking myself out to lunch today to treat myself as a little reward. I've met a milestone in one of my goals this year, and that has to do with my mortgage, because I have dreams and aspirations of just outright owning my home. So that's pretty much what I'm celebrating my small wins. That's what I'm learning to do. I'm learning to treat myself. And lunch is not a big treat. It's really not. That, I'm treating myself to lunch, and then I was like, let me buy some new workout stuff, because I went to the gym and I had to change my outfit like 3 different times before I went to the gym, because there was a hole in the private area. And I mean, they're Shein workout sets, so I don't have a high expectation, but I've had all of these sets for well over a year, so I feel like I've got my money's worth. So I guess that's why I'm not really tripping. So yeah, I think today I want to do like a nice chocolate eye and a red lip. That's the goal. And while I'm doing this, I'm going to also try and film a TikTok. Yeah. Let's get started. So if I'm looking both places, just understand. So the makeup I'm going to use today is the Estee Lauder. I have 2 shades here. One is 6W1 Sandalwood, and then the other one is 5-2N Amber Honey. I originally had 6-2N Truffle, but I took that back and exchanged it because I think that was just a little too dark. I like to go dark in my foundations, but it was giving like a muddy look. I don't know. So we're just going to see which one of these will work for today. And I should have bought a white. I feel like I never have everything. I think I'm set up and then I'm not. Okay. So I think this will be too light. They look very similar. They do look very similar. They might both be too light, because we are still working with our summer shade, our summer skin. Primer today is the One Size Oil Sucker. I got makeup all over this thing. The lighting, the lighting, the lighting. Okay, now let's get the camera ready for the phone. This is going to be interesting, because this is my little camera setup for the phone. I don't know how the girlies do it. I don't really know how they do it, guys. I really don't. I can't put it too far over because I don't want it in the camera. And then this thing leans. Now the thing dropped, y'all. It literally dropped. Okay, let's get started. Primer on. And once again, that was the Oil Sucker from One Size. And the foundation, we're going to try and see which shade we're going to use. I think I'm going to use the 6W Sandalwood. I don't think I'm going to use the 5R2 just yet. I think I might have to wait till December or January to use that one. I was thinking about putting my calamine lotion on, but I'm not going to have this makeup on that long. Oof. I forgot. That's one thing I don't like about this one. It doesn't have a pump. So I have some, I think I have 2 pumps from old MAC makeup. I'm going to take the pump off of those and wash them out and use them for this. I'm pretty sure that's what I did in the past. I'm going to just, I don't want to get this on my hand, so. So this is 6W1. Then we're going to flip it over and rub on 5 and 2. These both look hella light. I'm not even gonna hold you. Let's rub that in. Let's blend it in. That's the 6W1 blended out. And then this is the 5 and 2 blended out. We're just gonna go with the 6W1 and hope for the best. So it's blending out nicely. The 6W1 Sandalwood looks like a decent match. Okay. I'm feeling a little bit better now. So I don't know what I'm going to do with 5 and 2. I don't want to return it. I've already returned this already. I'll keep this just in case for the winter. It was only 26 bucks. I'll keep that. The Born This Way concealer, Butterscotch, my fave. But anyway, like I was saying, I'm going to treat myself to lunch for my little milestone goal that I've met with my mortgage payments. And I'm excited. Small wins add up to big wins. So I might as well just celebrate along the way. And the fact that I haven't told anybody, like I haven't told anybody in my family about my little milestone win. I haven't told any friends. I haven't told anybody. Y'all the first to know. So yeah, I'm excited. I am truly excited. Blessed. But you know what I realized with the paying off of the well, it's like a catch-22. They tell you, oh, you know, pay off all your debt. You know, even though a home is considered an asset, it's still debt when you owe on it. And in my book, it's still debt. So my goal has always been to pay off my home. At least this first one. We're speaking it into existence. We're going to have many more properties. But my goal has always been to pay off my first home. This is my first home. I've been in this home going on 8 years. That was not my initial plan. My initial plan was to actually be in this home less than 5 years. I was like, oh, I'm gonna buy this house. I'm gonna live in it for maybe 3 to 4 years, sell it, buy me a bigger house. Y'all, when I tell y'all 4 years came so quickly, and I was like, buy what? So, but also around the 4-year mark, my mindset kind of changed, and I started saying, oh, okay, well, maybe I don't want to just sell this home. I could keep it and use it as a rental property, you know? So that's where my mindset shifted. And that's actually when I started to Lord, this video is not about to be about mortgages, but that's initially when I started to pay extra on my mortgage, which in hindsight, I regret not paying more on my mortgage sooner. When I tell y'all, the first 4 years of me having this home, I did not pay 1 penny extra. I paid the exact mortgage to the penny. To the penny, I paid the exact mortgage. And that's one of my biggest regrets. But I mean, it's like when you know better, you do better. But man, those 4 years, if I would have been paying extra on my mortgage from day one, I would have been in a way different spot than I am now. But I mean, it's once again, hindsight is always 20/20. It's always 20/20. But you live and you learn. You get wiser, hopefully, with age. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blend this whole thing out. Bump it. I need a sponge. I got to use my sponge. This is too heavy. One size. This is the Sweet Honey. It's not horrible. It's just very light. I think I like the Rich Peach better. The Rich Peach is more neutral, of course. I was able to charge the light just a little bit. Hopefully it doesn't die again. But the face is set. I set the face with the Laura Mercier in Translucent Medium Deep. And then I went over that with the All-Star here of the Maybelline Fit Me 360 in Mocha. And now we are going to do the eyeshadow, which is the Makeup by Mario palette. We are loving this palette. I wanted to do a chocolate look, so we are going to go in with the Morphe M33 brush, and I'm going to pick up, I lied, I pointed to the wrong thing. I'm going to pick up this shade for the lid. If this shade is not dark enough, I'm going to then go into this shade. And then we are going to use the Morphe 513 brush, and I'm going to use this shade as our transition shade. So yeah. Such a beautiful chocolate shade. Look at that. We are back. Lashes on, eyeliner, mold on. We need to get our contour. Blush time, Juvia's Place, Volume 1. We're going in with both shades. Today we are doing a red lip. We are going to use the lip bar pencil, and this is the straight face, and then we're using MAC Wooby Woo. We're going to use that. Okay, so we have the lip on. Ignore this cap. We are going to put this bob wig on. Y'all see her? This old bob wig, but she's thinning in the front. So we're going to throw a ball cap on top of her. Alright, and this is the final look, y'all. I know this was supposed to be a chit chat get ready with me, but between the light battery and the camera battery, I lost my train of thought, y'all. So I'm gonna still post this. There the light goes again. So Thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and come back for more videos. I promise y'all I will have my batteries charged for my next video. This was just an impromptu, but I'm just gonna go out, celebrate myself, and yeah, I'll come back. I'll probably do a more in-depth video about mortgages. Okay, bye guys.